juice bar and salad bar. We are not making juice, we are not making salad. And I get the request on my juice bar channel to make some lemon tea, and I definitely want to make you guys this morning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply make a quick recipe of lemon tea. Lemon tea is one of the most powerfulest tea, and ginger tea, and also you got lemon tea, ginger tea, garlic tea, and fresh mint tea. All of these teas really good because of the kind of weather which we are in. So what I'm going to do is take it straight through it over here. Just boil my kettle. Earlier I make some fresh, nice, lovely lemon tea. And nothing nice like something like this in the morning before your breakfast. And not only that, this helps you to burn out some of the, you know what I mean, things inside of your system. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take you straight through over here where you can see exactly what's happening. I have some lemon. So all I'm going to do in this one, what I'm going to do, I know I squeeze some lemon juice inside of it, but I want to put a little bit more of the lemon juice inside of it. So I'll squeeze a little bit more lemon juice in it. Nice. All right. So if I say I'm going to make you a nice, lovely lemon tea, all right guys, what I would do is squeeze roughly about half a lemon inside of my glass like this, all right, because of the request which I get for the lemon tea. Now what I'm going to do is cut off a few pieces of the lemon, slices of the lemon, and I'm going to fill it up with some hot water. Not really straight to the top with the hot water, but roughly about half cups with some hot water. And then I'm gonna scrape out some honey. And I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of, not too much honey, but roughly say about half teaspoon of the honey inside of it, just to bring in a nice little flavor to it. Put 2 slices of lemon inside of it and give it a lovely mix. Nice one. So this morning I get the request to make the lemon tea, and what I'm gonna do now is deliver my lemon tea. All right, so this is what's gonna happen. Good morning, boss. I just bring a nice lovely cup of lemon tea. I know you requested lemon tea from me this morning, and I want you to taste it and tell me what do you think about the lemon tea. What do you think about the lemon tea?
It's quite nice.
Yeah,
lovely taste.
Making lemon tea, you know what I mean, is something really natural. Is, you know what I mean, you know, lemon tea, you got ginger tea, you got all different kind of tea. So what would I recommend to someone, like, you know, you asked me for the lemon tea?
Not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's a refreshing taste.
And you think lemon tea is one of the best tea you could ever drink?
Yeah, it's good for you.
Okay.
It's for your health, huh?
Yeah, for real. All right. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I'm not going to get the request for the lemon tea, deliver the lemon tea, and it's just amazing, guys, to know that lemon tea is just really powerful. So hopefully, guys, will make this at home and give it a try. Leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Juice.